Think starting a business takes money? Think again. In this video, you will learn how to launch a real, income-generating business from scratch, even with $0. No startup cash, no problem. All you need is a skill, a plan, and these proven steps. Let's dive in and get started. Find a problem, not a product. Most beginners make the mistake of starting with a product, but real entrepreneurs start with a problem. Why? Because people do not pay for products, they pay for solutions. Look around you. What frustrates people? What do they complain about every day? Maybe it is how long it takes to clean their homes, how confusing their bills are, or how stressful social media is for their small business. Every complaint is a hidden business idea. You do not need to invent something new, you just need to solve something old in a better way. Talk to friends, read comments online, join local Facebook groups. Patterns will appear. When you find a problem that enough people want solved, you have the foundation of a business. And the best part? Spotting a problem costs nothing, just observation and curiosity. That is how real $0 businesses begin. Use free tools to validate your idea. Before you build a business, make sure someone actually wants it. Validation means proving people care about your solution. And the best part? You can do it for free. Start by posting in Reddit threads, Facebook groups, or Quora spaces related to your niche. Share your idea. Ask, would you find this helpful? Or, what would you pay for this? You can also search platforms like TikTok or YouTube to see if similar services or products are getting views and comments. Use Google Trends to spot rising interest. If people respond, ask follow-up questions. If no one replies, that is feedback too. This step saves you from wasting months on an idea that nobody wants. Think of validation as free market research, and you are the CEO doing it smartly. When you see real interest and engagement, that is your green light to go all in. Start with skills you already have. You do not need a new course or certificate to start a business. What you already know is enough. Think about the tasks people ask you to help with. That is your hint. Can you write clean emails, organize spreadsheets, make videos, speak 2 languages? That is your skill. Now turn it into a service. Offer tutoring, content writing, virtual assistant work, or even pet sitting. Do not overthink it. Start where you are. Many people make money from skills they thought were normal, but what is easy for you is hard for someone else, and that is where value lives. The fastest way to start with $0 is to monetize what you already know. It builds confidence, momentum, and income without needing to buy anything. You are not just starting a business, you are starting with proof that you are already capable. Let your strengths lead the way. Offer your service for free to build proof. This may sound strange, but offering your service for free to the right people can actually make you money. How? Because when you help someone for free, you earn something even more valuable than cash. Proof. Proof of work, proof of results, proof that builds trust. Reach out to 2 or 3 people who fit your ideal customer and offer your service at no charge in exchange for a testimonial or case study. Choose people with an audience or influence if possible. Ask for a video review, written testimonial, or before and after example. This social proof becomes your resume, your ad, your credibility. Future paying clients will trust you faster when they see real results. And soon referrals will start rolling in. You are not working for free, you are investing in your reputation. That is a currency more powerful than money in the beginning. Use free platforms to get clients. You do not need a fancy website, business cards, or ad budget to find your first clients. Free platforms already exist, and they are full of people who need what you offer. Post your services on Facebook Marketplace, Fiverr, Upwork, Craigslist, or your Instagram stories. Join WhatsApp and Facebook groups related to your niche and answer questions, then mention your offer. DM local businesses that might need your help. Create a free Google form for people to request your services. Word of mouth is powerful, but it starts with you telling people what you do. Do not be shy. The world needs your solution. One message, one post, or one conversation can lead to your first paying client. No budget required. All you need is your phone and 15 minutes a day to show up, serve, and connect. Clients are out there. Go introduce yourself. Automate and outsource gradually. Once money starts coming in, your next step is not to spend it on luxury, it is to buy back your time. That means automating the boring stuff and outsourcing tasks that slow you down. Start with free tools. Use Canva for graphics, Google Docs for client communication, Trello or Notion to organize your tasks. As you earn, reinvest in better tools, maybe a scheduling app, an email platform, or even AI writing assistants like ChatGPT. Then consider hiring a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork for one-off tasks. You can even partner with others who have complementary skills. The goal is to do less busy work and more growth work. Remember, the best businesses are systems, not solo acts. Every hour you save can be reinvested into finding clients, improving your offer, or expanding your brand. Work smarter now and your business can scale without burning you out. Build a simple brand without paying a designer. You do not need to pay hundreds of dollars for a logo or branding. What you need is consistency. Go to Canva and create a free logo using 1 or 2 colors and a clean font. Pick a color that matches your vibe: blue for trust, green for calm, red for energy. Stick to that color across all your posts, videos, or messages. Use the same style of language when you talk to your audience: friendly, professional, or bold. This becomes your brand voice. People remember brands that feel reliable and familiar, not flashy. Add your logo to your social media profiles. Use the same design on your service flyers if you make any. When your brand looks and sounds consistent, it builds trust, and trust turns followers into buyers. Branding is not about perfection, it is about being recognizable and memorable on any platform. Keep scaling, one win at a time. Once you get your first sale or client, do not stop. Double down. Ask, how can I repeat this? Maybe you reach out to 5 more people, post in 3 more groups, or improve your offer slightly. Small wins done daily lead to big breakthroughs. Track your results, what worked and what did not. Use that data to grow. Do not try to do everything at once. Focus on one service, one platform, and one strategy until it works. Then scale slowly. Add upsells, create bundles, or offer long-term packages. Reinvest your profits. Most people fail because they expect fast growth, but real businesses are built on momentum, not miracles. If you stay consistent, keep improving, and deliver great value, your $0 0 cents business can grow into something life-changing. The key is not speed, the key is showing up every day with purpose and patience. Now have the blueprint to start with nothing and build something powerful. Remember, action beats perfection every time. Start small, stay consistent, and keep growing. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment your first step below. Your $0 0 cents business journey starts now, and it starts with you.